Nettle root tincture. Nettle tincture is employed both externally and internally. It is a natural herbal remedy for anemia and a powerful immune system booster. It also helps prevent urinary tract infections and viral infections and eases cold and flu symptoms. This wonderful tincture soothes allergic reactions and relieves hay fever symptoms. It helps the body to get rid of excess fluid and promotes its cleansing and regeneration. When applied externally, a few drops of nettle root tincture are rubbed into the scalp to strengthen the hair roots and stimulate hair growth. Ingredients: 200 grams dried nettle root, 100 milliliters alcohol 70%. Directions: pour alcohol over the chopped nettle herbs, nettle root, cover with a lid and let it sit for 14 days. Shake the mixture occasionally. Steep, pour into glass jars and store in a cool and dark place. Application: take 20 to 30 drops of tincture, diluted in a glass of water 3 times per day. If you use a store-bought tincture, pay attention to dosage notation.